Hey, what's up world? One Tech Traveler here. Today we are checking out ASRV Aesthetic Revolution drawstring arm pocket hoodie that I'm wearing right now. Really great outerwear, very rugged, especially if you are exercising and it's very harsh outdoors. If you want to see my full written review, check it out at onetechtraveler.com and make sure you subscribe to my channel just down below to see more awesome videos like this one. Right, let's go. Okay, so I'm going to give you a rundown of some of the core details on the ASRV drawstring arm pocket hoodie that I'm wearing right now, as well as my experience using it for everyday lifestyle and of course exercising with it. This is a very rugged and really nice feeling hoodie, very well fitted on your body. This is actually a large, so for me I wanted a bit more space to layer underneath, but actually it fits well. And just give you a bit of a side profile, you can see the back is longer than the front. You got the nice split on the side here, so if you are doing squats or so, it allows more maneuverability and coverage on the rear. And yeah, this is a very nice style. It uses the same signature tech fabric that they use for the cargo joggers, which is also here, and I'm going to be following up in a later review. But yeah, for a hoodie, very robust. If you're exercising hard, you're going to get some nice stretch in this for motions, wearing it as a normal outer layer or downsizing for something more fitted. Really cool parts are this part here. So they have the normal arm pocket hoodie, which is this part, and then actually the drawstrings, you can put it in here. So these are heat wrapped, really nice, and a feature on all of ASRV's garments. And you can see it's just nicely tipped, so it's not going to fray over time. Very long too. And when you're exercising, the loop and logo in the middle allows you to slide it in there, which means if you're exercising, moving around, blah, 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 then it's not going to move around, which is really cool. We have the arm pocket for more utility. So that's the nice zipper that you find in every ASRV garments. It closes in on itself nicely and has very nice flow and easy to move in and out. In terms of the space, it's actually a bit smaller. They say you can put a phone in there like an iPhone 8 Plus, one of the smaller sizes, but it won't even put any phone at all. So if you want to use it for that, then you're out of luck. What you can put in here, however, is very small wallets, like transport cards, normal cards, little variables. In here, I have my wireless earbuds. So if your charging case is not too bulky, got mine here, so that will slide in. I use it for a charging case when I'm out and about for the whole day, but you know, if you're just going for small sessions, you don't need to use it, but that will fit in nicely. And then just move a bit further back because we have these pockets here. So whereas the pockets tend to, when you put your hands in, come sideways, these ones are a bit more down. Your hand goes towards the center and further down. So for me, it's just more of a natural hold, much more comfortable. And the pockets are actually separated, so it's not a kangaroo that you can access both sides. This will just stay here, and this one like so. It is open, not zipped, but great for just quick rest, or if it gets a bit cold. I tend to store my gloves in here and doesn't have much bulk to it. And so if you want something with more coverage, has that street drop hem cut and that side, so when you are exercising, it moves out. Okay, you can see the back here, it is fitted, so even if you go for larger size, it is meant for longer coverage, but it's fitted on the side so it's not flaring out like so. And yeah, I give you a side profile here. In terms of the hoodie, very nice. It's much more generous, so you can wear a hat over it. If I put it up, really good coverage, and like I say, very rugged. So, you know, really for the outdoors, if you are pushing hard, it's not gonna soften as you are exercising. If you are sweating in this, like say, it's gonna be very breathable. But if you're exercising a lot, then it's obviously going to dampen down its sort of fitting. But once you wash it, you'll be absolutely fine. Now, one of the things to note is The material, kind of like with the cargo joggers, they do attract some like lint and little particles, so you do want to get something to roll and take the dust away. But generally, absolutely love the ASRV drawstring arm pocket hoodie. Very functional, stylish, but also practical in the way they implement designs and features. Would definitely like to see the pocket much larger, because my wallet can't even fit in there, and phones, so something just a bit more wider makes it extra useful. But general, love the fit, love the sizing, and yeah, very happy with it overall. So that wraps up the ASRV drawstring arm pocket hoodie. Hope you enjoyed this and gave you some insight into the outerwear garments and the kind of stuff that ASRV are doing. You can find my full written review on my website at onetechtraveler.com. And make sure you hit that subscribe button down below to see more awesome videos like this one. Right, I'm gonna do a bit more exercise out here in Seoul. I'll see you in the next video, but until then, keep being awesome. Peace. Whoa.